I cover all about wholesaling on Amazon, whether that's in America, in Australia, in the UK, wherever it may be, completely in this training program, www.rawlocal.com.au/wholesale. It, as a training course, has had the most incredible feedback, which I'm really, really proud of. So if you're wanting to do wholesale, consider getting the training course, all right? So do you need a license to sell wholesale products on Amazon in America? The answer to that is it depends. So here's the different ways that you can structure that. So if it is the case that you are going to have your company in Australia and then run your wholesale business in Amazon.com from Australia using a PTY Ltd company, then in most cases you do not need it's called a business certificate. You do not need a business certificate. You will not be asked for a business certificate, okay? In most cases you don't get asked. However, if you have instead got a different setup and you have established an limited liability corporation in America and you're selling on Amazon.com in America, then you will definitely need a business license, a reseller certificate, whatever you want to call it, it's interchangeable term, to sell wholesale on Amazon.com. Definitely, okay? However, there are some exemptions to that. Typically, it depends as well which states in America you're going to sell into. So if those states don't have sales tax, then you won't need a business license to sell wholesale in those states, because you need the business license to collect the sales tax and to do all that thing properly. If you are in America with an LLC, all right? If you don't have that though, and you are simply living in Australia, selling on Amazon.com through your PTY Ltd company or sole trader or whatever it is, then in my experience, you will not need a reseller certificate to go ahead and make those deals. They won't ask for it because you're in Australia. In fact, I actually use it as an advantage, because what I say is, we'll get started in America and then I'll help you take your products into Australia, which is like catnip to people who have businesses. It really, really is. They want to grow their businesses and expand them globally. So they absolutely love that as a proposition to them. And I've used it really, really successfully to close deals and to get me being able to sell products that ordinarily I wouldn't be able to sell. So that works really, really well. So you may want to consider that. Who wants a URL? Yep, no worries. Let me give you the URL. So this is my complete training program. Send to all. No worries. Tony Maria says the book is great too. Yes, I have the book as well. That is on Amazon.com and Amazon Wholesale. Let's just see how oh, here it is. There it is. So that's my book on Amazon as well. Of course, I wrote a book all about doing it too. So you can get the book too. The book is not as in-depth as, of course it isn't, as the training course, but it'll give you a good grounding in everything. And those folks that have got the book, again, I've had some good feedback about the book too. Can you have the URL? Yes, I'll give you the URL. All you need to do is just go to Amazon. Just do what I just did. Just go to amazon.com.au and search for Amazon Wholesale Insights and you'll find it. So it's just there. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.